In this video, you're going to learn how to vibe code an app using AI Studio that uses the Nano Banana API to create images. And you're going to be able to do this right from your phone. You don't even need to install an app. My daughter, Julia, is 5 years old. She loves stuffed animals and she loves playing games on my phone. So we built a simple app for her in AI Studio that lets her build custom stuffed animals. So let me show you how this works. Just open up any browser on your phone. You can go to aistudio.google.com. You don't even need to install an app here. And you can type in the app that you want it to build. Or if you don't want to type, you can just tell it what to do. Click this little microphone right here. Hit allow to give permission for it to use your mic. Hey, could you please build an app for my daughter, Julia? She's 5. Let's call it Julia's Plushie Palace. Give her some options to build a stuffed animal, let's say an animal, a color, and some accessories, and then use the Nano Banana API to create an image for her. And make sure the app at the beginning of the app, the first time she uses it, gives her the option to choose an API key from AI Studio so that we can use that Nano Banana API. All right, and then you can see after I tap the button that it has cleaned up my instructions a little bit and optimized them a bit for AI Studio. I'm just gonna tap the arrow button to send those off to AI Studio. But in the meantime, if you want to see what it's doing, you can tap the chat icon and you can see its thinking process, its reasoning as it figures out what code it needs to write in order to make your app come to life. And if you want to tap in, you can actually see the files that it's creating. And if you're doing this on desktop, everything we're doing here works just fine on a laptop. You'll actually be able to see a lot more details. You could even, if you're so inclined, go in and edit the code yourself. But it's, again, pretty magical that you can just do this from anywhere on your phone. While it's thinking here, you can see that it's created an index.css that's going to control the styling of the app. And what's happening on the back end here is that it's creating a fully fledged React app. And so it is making decisions about the styling of the app, probably based on the fact that I told it that Julia is 5 years old. All right, now we have our app. So let's create a stuffy for Julia. She loves sparkle unicorns. Let's make a purple one. And let's give it a fancy bow tie. And so again, what's happening here is that we're sending the request off to the Nano Banana API and we get back our purple unicorn wearing a fancy bow tie. And I think Julia is going to love this. So if you'd like to get started building your own apps from your phone, just open up any browser, go to aistudio.google.com and click build.